Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Okay, today I am telling you order of reaction, sum of power of concentration term present in rate law. What is the order of reaction? Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law. Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law is called order of reaction. You have learned what is order of reaction. Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law is called order of reaction. Look here. Order of reaction. Sum of power of concentration term. Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law. Present in rate law is called order of reaction. Okay student, what is order of reaction? Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law is called order of reaction. Look here, for example, let the reaction is AA plus BB plus CC gives product. Let the reaction is AA plus BB plus CC gives product. Then rate law. Rate law is equal to K concentration A, concentration B, concentration C, and consider let power of A is P, power of B is Q, power of C is R. We can also take power of A, B, C, power of A, power of B, B, power of C, C. But it is according to law of mass action, that is in 11 standard. But in this standard, here we have to consider PQR, where PQR determined experimentally. Power PQR determined experimentally. Okay. So order of reaction is equal to sum of power of concentration term. These are concentration term, so sum of their power. Order of reaction n is equal to sum of their power P plus Q plus R. So this is the order of reaction. Okay students, I am telling you once again what is order of reaction. Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law. Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law is called order of reaction. Let us consider the reaction AABBCC product. So rate law K concentration A, concentration B, concentration C, where PQ are determined experimentally. Order of reaction is equal to, these are concentrations on sum of power. So sum of power is P plus Q plus R. Sum of power of concentration term is called order of reaction. We can also take according to law of mass action, concentration A to the power A, concentration B to the power B, concentration C to the power small c. But this is according to law of mass action 11 standard. Now next topic is for first order reaction rate law. For second order reaction, for first order reaction rate law contain one concentration term. For second order reaction rate law contain two concentration term. For third order reaction rate law contain three concentration term. For zero order reaction rate law contain no concentration term. So look here, and after this I will tell you numericals related to order of reaction. For first order reaction. For first order reaction, rate law has one concentration term. Rate law has one concentration term. Example, rate law is equal to K A or K B or K C. We can take any one. After this, for second order reaction, rate law has two concentration term. So two concentration term become K 1 plus 1, two concentration term, B C 1 1, two concentration term, or we can take Ca. Okay, or we can also write anything a to the power 2. So this is second order reaction. Rate law has two concentration term. For third order reaction, rate law contain three concentration term. Rate law contain three concentration term. Rate law is equal to A, B, C. Okay, we can also write or K a to the power 3. Next, zero order reaction. For zero order reaction, for zero order reaction, rate law has no concentration term, zero concentration term, means power 0, power 0, power 0. So finally we get K, rate law. Okay students, so what is order of reaction? Sum of power of concentration term present in rate law. It's called order of reaction. Now I am telling you numericals related to order of reaction. Numerical is calculate the order of reaction. Rate is equal to first part. Calculate the order of reaction. Rate is equal to K A की power 1 by 2 B की power 3 by 2. Rate is given K A की power 1 by 2 B की power 3 by 2. Okay. So first we have to write rate. We have to find out overall order of reaction. So rate with respect to A, rate with respect to A is equal to 1 by 2. Rate with respect to B is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, and this is the order, means power. So we can say order with respect to A. Here we have to take order. There is no requirement to show it, but I am telling you all the thing in a proper way. So order with respect to A, order with respect to A is 1 by 2, order with respect to B is 3 by 2, order with respect to A is 1 by 2, order with respect to B is 3 by 2. Overall order of reaction, overall order, overall order is equal to sum of order of A plus sum of order of B. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, LCM 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So order is 2. Next, B part. B part is rate is equal to, calculate the overall order of reaction. Rate is equal to K A to the power 3 by 2, A to the power 3 by 2, B to the power minus 1. Order with respect to A 3 by 2. Order with respect to B minus 1. Overall order 3 by 2 minus 1. So LCM is 2, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 to 2 cancel 1. Student, I hope that you can understand all the point in this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your friends. Okay students, if you have any suggestion, any doubt, then write in comment box.